Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn and speak Kana language. Compliment of the season to you all. I do appreciate your time for being part of my channel. So today we are going to learn how to speak Kana language in Ogoni. It's a LGA, a local government in Ogoni. We have Kana, we have Gokana, we have Tai, and we have Eneme. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to speak Kana language. We start from greeting in Kana. Greeting in Kana language. What did I say? Greeting in Kana language. So let's go.